Hi, my name is Lawrence John Sumanoy Buenafe. I am 20 years old. I live in Poblacion, Kumalarang, Zamboanga del Sur. Um, I have two. I have two. I have two siblings, a brother and a sister. My brother's name is Lance Jefferson Sumanoy Buenafe, and my sister's name is Edelweiss Sumanoy Buenafe. And my father's name is Eduardo Kimbo Buenafe Jr. and my mother's name is Ilin Sumanoy Buenafe. And the occupation of my father is a businessman. We somehow buy and sell palay for ready milling and somehow sell rice, and my mom is just helping my father for the business. And my my younger brother was married around 16 years old. Uh, he was converted into Islam, and but now he's still studying in GH National Zamboanga del Sur College. And my sister is our youngest. Uh, she was still studying also in Saint Columban College, and my family is not really that I could say wealthy. We somehow eat three times a day, and also we help each other for our family. And I I am now studying at Xavier Ateneo in Cagayan de Oro in the course of AB Philosophy, which my which I was also in the seminary because, well, 1 year ago I decided myself to join religious life and to live religious. Somehow sometimes I find it difficult, but I know there's a lot of challenges in life. But now now that I am here in Cagayan, I experience a lot of struggles in life, a lot of difficulties which whom I never encountered it before. And I am always putting myself that it's all challenges, it's all problems. There's always a solution if I persevere it. So I continue my second year philosophy in a pre-divinity track together with some of my brothers from Zamboanga del Sur. Somehow, um, sometimes sometimes I think myself of my first course before, which is criminology. I somehow view myself uh, some kind of police officer, but it's a second option now because I love my vocation, and I know even though it's very challenging because my family is not really religious. We would just go to church not every Sunday, and because of the works, because of the business, and my brother also is not Catholic anymore. So because we are not living in one house, sometimes I just go to my grandfather and then go to my parents and then somehow live with my brother. That's why it's not really reunited, but still we still communicate through cell phone call or video chat. So I think that's all for my for my life, right, in my current life. And my expectation in philosophy is that it's really hard, it's really difficult, especially more readings, whom I am not good, but I am trying my best. And this is the life that I have chosen. So I will do hard studies and just pray for God. That's all.